Egypt is full of treasures of history and culture, all of which are waiting to be discovered. What makes Egypt the best destination for UAE is that it's an Arabic country, so you won't face a problem in communicating with its kind people, and you can freely explore its Cairo streets to the temples in Luxor. Whether you are interested in visiting Egypt as a tourist who wants to discover its wonders or visit it for business purposes, Egypt will welcome you to its land. Types of Egypt visa for UAE residents: e-visa, tourist visa, business visa, visa on arrival, family visit visa, student visa, work visa. How to determine the type of Egypt visit visa from Dubai. Getting your Egypt visit visa from Dubai is a smooth process only if you have the required documents. To provide the suitable documents, you have to determine firstly, the purpose of your trip, the duration of your trip, the type of activities you will do in Egypt. All of these points are important to determine the type of your visa, so that you can understand the documents needed to have your visa. E-visa, new Egypt visa for UAE residents. Traveling to Egypt is now easier than ever due to the Egyptian e-visa, as a UAE resident e-visa is available for tourism purposes, simplifying the entry process for you. With e-visa, you can stay in Egypt for 30 days maximum. Types of Egyptian e-visas. Single entry e-visa allows one entry into Egypt. Multiple entry e-visa. This lets you enter and exit Egypt multiple times within the visa's validity. How to apply for Egypt visa from Dubai. E-visa. 1. Complete the application form. 2. Make the payment. 3. Print your e-visa. Tourist Egypt visa requirements for UAE residents. A signed visa application form with one photo attached, passport size. Provide a copy of the form and photo. One recent, high-resolution passport-sized photo on a white background. Your passport is valid for at least 6 months. Ensure that you have one blank visa page. Provide 2 photocopies of the information page of your passport, including your data, 2 photocopies of your round-trip ticket or confirmed itinerary. Business Egypt visa requirements for UAE residents. 2 copies of a letter from your employer outlining the purpose of your visit to Egypt, including your name, your company, the Egyptian company, if applicable, any conferences or seminars, travel dates, duration of stay, and a financial guarantee. 2 copies of your round-trip ticket or confirmed travel itinerary. Requirements for Egypt visa on arrival for UAE residents. Make sure your passport has a validity of at least 6 months from the date of your arrival in Egypt. You are also required to present proof of your return flight from Egypt. Be ready to provide evidence of sufficient funds to cover your expenses during your trip to Egypt upon request. You need to provide a confirmed hotel booking for your stay. The Egyptian visa fee will be paid upon arrival at the airport in Egypt. Egypt visa processing time. Egyptian visit visa. You would need to visit the Egyptian embassy in person in Dubai with the required documents to complete the necessary procedures for having your Egyptian visa. The processing time depends on the amount of applications submitted at the duration of submitting your application. You can expect it to take a longer time if you don't submit all the documents. This process may take between 5 to 7 working days to get your Egyptian visa from Dubai. It's better to apply for the Egyptian visa earlier than your trip by 2 to 3 weeks ahead to avoid any delays in your trip. E-visa processing time. Standard, 5 to 7 days. Regular processing for those with ample time. Expedited, 3 to 5 days. Faster option for travelers with tighter schedules. Priority, 2 to 3 days. Fastest option for last-minute travel or unexpected opportunities. After understanding all the requirements and the process of getting an Egypt visa for UAE residents, you can get your visa easily by following the steps and requirements mentioned in the video for e-visa, tourist visa, visa on arrival, and business visa. TravNook experts can help you to get professional advice for travel and visa assistance. Contact us for more details.